Hello friends, I will tell you words that will guide for self-motivation. First, learn from others' mistakes. We really do not have to touch the fire to see how hot it is. We must learn from the mistakes of others. We can't possibly live long enough to make them all ourselves. Learning from mistakes is a never ending process in life. The biggest mistake we can make is failing to learn from them. Whether they are our own, it is made by others, it is the genius who always try to learn from others' mistake as well try to collect the life each of the time. Second, nothing comes without a price, not even friendship. Many people believe in the concept of selflessness. They believe that friendship, good deeds are valuable. But the truth is that we need each other in many ways. We tend to make friends with people who have similar interests. Third, never quit. It is said the winners never quit and quitters never win. Success is all about perseverance and persistence. Life is unpredictable. It demands sadness to know happiness. So never give up before the miracle happens. Fourth, these ingredients make life meaningful and worth living. It is said that treasure lies within, not outside. Living a balanced life with a mind full of contentment is a treasure full of wonder. It is like learn some and think some. Sometimes we have to recover ourselves, but eventually we rotate and the cycle continues. Fifth, nobody can ever defeat you if education is your arms. The function of education is to teach one to think intensively and to think critically. A truly educated mind, the greatest weapon. It is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of a fire which is undeniable. 6. Sometimes we all will have to pretend. There is no wrong to bury which is disturbing the inner peace or not fitted with the atmosphere. Sometimes pretending is greater than acknowledgement. It is the right to maintain boundary through pretend. When we start wondering we should trust all or not, that is when we already know that we should not. Stay low key. 7th. Stay low key. It is always good to share your secret with you. The best way to keep a secret is to keep it with yourself and not confess it to anybody. Sometimes it is important to guard your secret to make a safe place. 8th, defeat the fear within you. It is said to escape fear, you have to go throughout it, not around it. Don't be afraid to get scares to do any new things. Scares are the needles of life. We get livelier by day to day with every scars and each drop of sweat. 9th, be good, do good always. Goodness is the only investment that never fails. It is not a choice only. It is a lifestyle. It is always good to good on everything, no matter what it is. Being good is a wonderful and vibrant legacy to leave behind. 10th, be wise, stay wise. Always give advice to someone who will understand your value. Correct and wise man who will worthy of your knowledge. It is better not to try to correct a fool or to spread wisdom where it does not be understood or valued. Thank you.